Hey guys, what is up? It's Rubo here. I'm playing some Turbo Dismount, new game on the channel. I've seen a lot of people played it, for a matter of fact. Jacksepticeye, I think Markiplier, I'm not sure, I forgot, but I've seen them play. I never played it myself. Let's see, let's play. Game may be a little laggy because of my recording things. Let's go with this one. Okay, how do you do this? Characters. Mr. Dismount misses. Oh, I can have a face on there, that's cool. What the heck? Where are you now? Oh my, okay. I think you're gonna get it. Okay, I think I go like this. Right? Do I tap it? Hold and release to dismount. Oh geez, what the heck? What did I just do? Did I do something? I just did something, I don't know what I just did. I think it's some kind of tutorial. Or is this just to like learn to... What is this? Am I just like learning how to do this? Okay, so... Vehicle. Token bird! Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just ready. Can I like dismount, please? What am I supposed to do? Oh! I get it. Now I kind of get it. Go chicken, go! Looks like a chicken. Backflips, nothing like a chicken. My character held on. Where are you going? Where are you going? What is this? I'm gonna go back. Just like I don't know what just happened there, but. I like the music. Turn that music up. Stair dismount. There's a stair dismount? I didn't know. Okay, can I choose a new character? Mr. Ego. This guy looks... I want to do the face thing. How do I do that? Nice butt. Okay. Wait, whoa. Obstacles. I want. How do you clear obstacles? Where's the obstacles? How do I do the obstacles? Okay. Okay. Oh, my thing is pretty laggy right now. Go, chicken! Where are you going? Oh, you were lucky. Can I, like, steer it? I don't think you should be in that lane. I think you're gonna crash. Can I steer it? Oh my gosh! Not much hurt for him. Camera, what is this? That must hurt. New high score. I don't really feel good about that. Select level, please. Let's do this one. Turbo dismount. First time ever playing, actually. let's see. What's there? Oh, hello. Yeah, let's go that way. Change that pose. I want to change to a different. I blocked everything. I ain't using money, okay? Okay. Let's do this thing! I just flipped over. Oh, I can replay. I just fell over. Oh, that was hilarious. Okay, something just happened. I don't know what. My menu. That was fun. But guys, I'm gonna leave the episode here. If you guys want me to do more, you can ask me to either give this video a thumbs up or tell me in the comments. I'm playing some more Turbo Dismount if you guys want me to. If you guys don't, then I probably won't. But this is a pretty fun game. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Look at me just falling. Bye.